500. Namla booze and stuff. Ah, it's okay.
Na o tsere ka tšhelete go reka roko yago
go boditse gore ke šomitše tšhelete ka ya allowance
go lebala gore lekalekana le wena ke
papa la tseba gore ke nna ngwana wa go loka na ke tsebe gore ba ya nagana gore ke bolela maaka.
You did it. You're so good with these kids.
Ma'am, come on. It's teamwork.
Oh, no, I don't think so. There's something that you're doing. You have a way with these kids, man.
Kwezi, siyazi ukuthi you're not fit to run this company.
Sihle, don't busy security.
Mama bangathi, eh? Mama bangathi.
Wenza ntoni? Hayi kaloku mkhuze ngonyana wakhe soze belawula ngabantwana nje. Yini? Hayi, mayatshintsha. Yeah, ngizokuthumelela as soon as ufike emsebenzini. Nonsense. Okay. Bye-bye.
Lipo, untsintsitseka nobani ekuseni kanje?
Nayonela.
Unkosikazi wakho? Yini ehlekisa kangaka ekuseni kanje?
Cela singayenzi lana ne. Lando yokuba mna ndirepotele wena boss yami andithi uyiboss yami. Masingayenzi lando ndirepotele wena kuba ndithetha ntoni nomama wabantwana bam. Nkosi.
Wow. Fika. Yeah. Steve. Stevie. Scheme Sabe. Scheme Sabe.
Kosi bengaqondile yonke lento engiyishilo. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Bengakukhuluma nawe ngale yandlela.
Xolisa. Yona iqalaphi ingxaki Khosi. Problem ileyo wena uhamba wenze zonke izinto uzenzayo uphinde ucela uxolo. Emva koko uphinde ubuyele kulento oyicelela uxolo kuye. Ingxaki yami nawe leyo.
So is that why you're being friendly with your wife?
Ukubonisana phakathi kwami naye iyona ndlela ukuba ngitshayelele idivorce yokuthula nemvisiswano phakathi kwami naye. Yiloo nto ndi-friendly naye. That's it.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi usaqhubeka nedivorce.
Of course ngizoqhubeka ngedivorce. Ngizodinga ungaqhubeka ngedivorce.
Well, ukuthi sekunesikhathi sigcinele ukukhuluma ngayo and nami bengingayiphethe kahle. Bengitshela ukuthi mhlambe I pushed you away. Ngixolisa mpela.
Nana man. What's this? Eh? What's this? What are you doing? You want people to see us now?
You ghosted me the whole weekend.
You said you're going to see your mother. Nana.
So you couldn't even text or call.
Because next time I go crowd, okay? I don't want your family to start getting suspicious. That's why.
Robin, maybe you were busy living your best life with another girl.
Evelyn might walk in at any time.
Q, do not police my tone.
Oh, yeah. Nana. Come on. Come here. Listen, you're my number one, okay? My world, your world, okay? You're smart, beautiful, matured. You're calm, and I appreciate that.
Okay, so when can I come over to your place?
No. Let's just lay low for a bit, okay? Let's just take things slow. Kyoko.
Ready God. Change. Ready God.
Hayi ngisase-right mna.
Hawu, sukele ekuseni soloko natha tiye. Sifuna ukusebenzisa itafula leli sisebenzisela abantu labafuna kuhle.
Hawu ngwane bengicanga ukuthi mina nawe si-right.
Nami ngicanga usiright. Until ngibona ukuthi wena you are a gatekeeper of a good and a nice thing. Awukangibidi nje. Wabenza wena. Uthi umuntu ubona buhle beliswati awukangibidi.
Stanley,
Mr. Makosa.
Blake.
Hayi bese ngithi ngiyahamba.
Hayi, khululeka. Amenzele isipheshelo sanamhlanje. Should you make that 2?
Okay, sure.
You really don't have to.
Ungakhathazeki. Hawu. Indodakazi yakho iyanjani?
She's better. Uye wakhishwa esibhedlela weekend. Kodwa angazi noma bamkhipha ngoba esepholile noma bamkhipha ngoba badinga umbhede uyawazi ama-public hospital.
Hayi, kodwa into ebalulekile ukuthi usekhaya manje.
Ya, okunye kunzima ukuthi angingamtsheli unkosikazi ukuthi ngilahlelwe umsebenzi.
So, every day uyavuka uyibala. Wenze ngathi uya emsebenzini.
Ngiyavuka ngiyofesa lapho nalapho. Bese-ke ngizama ukuthi ngibhethe lamabheja amahashi lapha ngigembule nje.
Stanley kuzomela umtshela iqiniso. Amanga ngeke asakusiza ngalutho.
Okay, we're here.
Bona le botsana.
Hey, ape ke re be ba dipapatlile langwa.
Wa bona mo. O iketlile. O ka re ba ratane ba le
Ma'am, please. It's just two innocent colleagues having a photo. That's all.
Wa se mo fotho bolela ditaba tše dintšhi bja. What chemistry e le go mo.
Ma'am Carol, man, we menyana, una chemistry nix. Never in a million years would I date someone like Evelyn. That's a type of Evelyn. Wait, ma'am. I didn't mean it like that. It's just, ma'am.
Right, Mr. Q.
No, ma'am.
It really is okay. No need to explain.
Ma'am, I was just trying to
It
say
is
that.
what it is. Teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
That was disrespectful and so unnecessary, Mr. Q.
Yes, I didn't mean it like that. And Carol Labona, Carol.
come on, let's be the jokes.
Joke saying, Carol. I see.
Marwena ka bo sa bolela.
Ke golo fela bjalo. I mean, sa mafelelo se ke se nyakang ko goreng mothako la no fitlha mo pala katle re sa iketlile.
Yeah, okay, mara motšen need and be kind. Ke gore last time le wena you were a bit off.
Ke be ke le bonolo. And le gona it's not like boikinyano wa gona o e beile lenyelo ya kere.
We want to close this chapter. I get it. Hold, ke tla bona kopano.
Okay, sharp.
Yabe. Keng, bo tia boy ke ile boela go thibose.
Nope. Mohlo mongwe o ile gae.
Hey, a tseba ke feel bad tšame gore monna modimo ke be ke mona ga nnela bobe. O no ba kole bohloko.
Yeah, ke a kwešiša. Bona man, my love. Oh, bona le se ke nyaka gore boledišana ka sone.
Okay.
Yeah, o bona ka tabe ya Namibia. Well, ba tseba goreng le seana la ka le tseleng. E fela ge ya seno fitlha ke tlo tshwanelwa ke goreng ke travel gape.
Ba a re eme gore ngwana a fihle pele before re tlo thoma re bolela taba tše dingwe, okay?
Well, fair enough. Hello, boy. Hello, moshimane wa papa. Wa bona mma le papa ba fela pelo ya go meeta ne ba fana wa ngwa ke.
ke tshepa gore hei go potse moga tšago le gona gore o boyaneng
go bolela nnete a ke tsebe wa tseba le ge ke re ke a mo letšetša ke a mo tlhola ga ke mo kgwetse mo mogaleng
o se ka re ya ka go botsa o tlo boya e le ngaka ya ditau
a bua nora bua le ga tee a ka seke nke be ba mpoditše mosege le gore ba mo thwasiša
mpotse mo le hloja eng wena le bana ba gago e ka gore le lebenkele ga le sa šoma gabotse
ke tlo no swanela ke gore ke nyake mošomo mosadi a ke a go botsa ka nnete ene ka moo ka mengwage ya rena go boima
wa sese go boima le go ba banyane ba
ka mo dikoloto di a pakelana ka mo letseno le sa tsena ga botsa wa nna ena ke sa tseba wa tseba lona
ka mo ke matric dance godimo ga dilo jaaka moka ke re le mosebjadi o mpontšhitše di-videonyana tša gona bana ba e tla ka di-helicoptera
Molebele a nya mqondo. Exactly my point.
We're heading out to lunch.
I'll show what is in the meeting in 30 minutes.
Namita?
Oh yeah, no ngizokhehlisa. Oh, better yet, was strain.
Nope. Thank you.
Okay.
Well,
Must be nice.
go.
I'm Zwang. It's not like uzolalela.
Some African time.
Oh, sure.
Kunenkinga?
Umuntu cishe waphuma umqolo. Ihlane mesi yakho kodwa sithole ngisho no donkey lo.
Vele ukuthi donkey akukaze nje wabulala umuntu. Just saying.
So, mina nawethu, ngifuna ukuthi nginibonge for umsebenzi enwenzayo engikhokhelwa wona. Uyazi ukuthini? Anithole enye into enesisindo engingacomplaina ngayo. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going out to lunch with my man.
Oh, my man. Okay. The same my man lebekasenjeni nathi. Kepha at least yakhona nje ukuthola ama-sweet.
So, ucabanga ukuthi le language oyisebenzisayo i-right for your officing?
ngiyayisaba pregnancy
Ngeke silokhu siblame ama-hormones all the time.
And then kwenzakala?
Oh. No, nothing. Just family gossip na mama. I can't lie, Mohoeda. I felt like I really enjoyed being out. Hey, for you. I got another barista car school uniform. Meanwhile, we are arabang batla maga rogo dramatic. But it's fine. Like I said, my metric dance logo eat and I could him shagare pipe. But I'm going to be like no papa ka hire ko lo ya mabatla mabedi. Ish. Baby girl. Skolo se haraile bus. Bus. I want to put on a bus chalina. I need main character image, Moera. But also, did you like that girl's attitude? Na actor she owns Mr. Hugh's crib. You're Arabang wali nai.
I didn't think it was that deep. Also, again, people just like coming for her. I can't have dramatic.
No, dramatic.
Yeah.
Oh, Arabang M. King Bill. Sisi, ga ke na nako ya drama ga go today. Boko. Ke be ke no gopela thuso ka algebra. Tsome gopela morutiši wa gago. Na gape ga ke no nako ya di toddlers ja turf.
Relax. Yeah, I have a meeting with HR.
Oh, what about?
Letter maybe it's one of those letters for the discipline. Look, Madima, I would say I'm changing fat on Island for Uncle and life.
Hi, Bo. It's real understanding. Mr. Makwaza, please send here for me, sir. Yes. Thank you. There you go.
Hayi bo, ngixoshiwe.
Angeke. I'm so sorry, Sam. You'll find all the details in the letter. What?
Ayikwazi kwenzeka lento. Impilo yami vele iphele ngaleyo ndlela nje.
What did... Nice, no, please. Okay, please, Sala pass, nice, please.
Ayikwazi kwenzeka.
Okay. Please, nice.
$250K yela. Ke swanetše go reng ke o reka yona.
Oh, no. Botile o ilokišitše. Yeah, so I can nyake mathata le bona Namibia and the audits tša bona le budget ya project ya reng. So re sharp. Le gona mos re ya re šetše re tlo fetša ka di-design tša bridge.
Yeah. Then seo ga o tsebotse se ra goreng re tlo tlhoka goreng re boele kwa Namibia.
Yeah, if I listen gonna be, I get the engineers ba tlhoka a few months gore ba kgone go approve the design and then the tswela pele.
Yeah, bana ke ga botse because wa ramane na ke no tlhoka na bonyana gore at least le shana la ka lebelego pele.
No, ke go. Yeah. Emena wa tseba like go bolela le buti wa Braboik. I can't tell gore ke realize o ka re no man, like sharp, okay. The plane crash was scary, ne? Mara ke fela o ka re ke ready gore nka boela Namibia.
Tata mane na ntšhušitše. Ke ra gore o no tsopologa out of nowhere and then o busy o thoma o botšiša dipotšišo tše dintši.
Yeah. And what if? Okay. Like what if, ne? What if Braboik didn't die?
Go ra gore mathaka a le ba re phološitšeng. Ngibe ba mo hweditše a kere.
Doesn't have so. Sibawa ya nkosikazi. Ayeke. Sibanike le nto bayifunayo. Ayeke. Ungena ndawo kwinto zakho.
Yazi ngiyasho kunuka inyawo la kantini.
Usho sithi?
You know, I'm quite tempted to pull security, real security. You know, return the favor.
Yazi wena vele ngalapha. Sona man phose bathi niphoso ishow. Othi budlokova pha, uzivakala isibawo. Lehaza amaphoso khona. Welo. Damn it.
Andivakali impela.
Since ungayithandisisi indlela ukhweza iphatha ngayo ikhampani yakhe. Ungathanda njani ukuba uthathe ezi shares zekhampani yakhe uzithengisele yena? Msho ukhweza kazumana nxaka uzithenga.
Angikhulumi indaba zamabhizinisi. Lawo mantshingilane. Awazi lutho wena lokho. Wena bambela ngasho.
How? Atwaka ibalena.
Oh, Thabela.
Hey, Thabela.
Ke nyakana le mem le tswalo.
Mem le tswalo.
Ke na Eunice Academy se se araba.
Oh, hi. Mem.
Oh.
We pitlile kae?
Mushumo se se mushumo e shuntswere wa tseba mo ratheletse.
Arabang boditse seo. Oh. This is Mr. Q. Ke na go ruta maths, science. Yes, at Eunice. Ke se arabang.
Ke na vi Mr. Q. Ke no go ditaba ka yena ra tseba.
I hope it's good things only.
Oh yeah, ke dilo tšere botse. Ke tlile go patela matric dance wa arabang.
Wa arabang. Okay.
Miss Lekane.
Mr. Lekane.
Oh. Oh, ngilibone. Singkarineng.
wa tsa wena ka nako ja ga morana wa go wa tseba berekela salary ya rena
ame mna nna be ke lokile
loka kae wena le shole Riti se a kamela ke rena e nyakile go nkisha pensioning e senako tsona le twa ga
Unisuri a se pele o ile patela ka go.
o ile ke tlana ba ke jole
Arabang. Kai, arabang o dia di tuta di extra lesson di. Ai, ona la ina yui.
mogwa ish o thomile go ga ela tsa kuele ke a tshwenyeng
What's I can get on now? To some go le principal ka seo.
oh
Yeah. Okay, arabata.
okay ke tshaba tsa go bye
Yeah.
Uyatsho useyakhona but ngokushesha sengikhathi ukuthi simenze isibling. I'm serious. Imagine a mini you or mini me running around here.
Yo. Hayi uyadlala.
Kunomuntu omlindele.
No, kodwa mhlawumbe almost.
Hayi kodwa sina appointment nje. Stan.
Basi. Ngiyaxolisa ukuvela ngithele. Sanibona.
Sizana.
Ukhweza ngoqashini. Uvela unginika na letter.
Yazi ayisekho into engimangazayo nokhwezi kulezi insuku.
Ngeke ngathatha i-advice yakho ngathi mawufika ekhaya ngakhuluma nonkosikazi wami. Uvele wadinda isililo nje.
Ungahlala.
Oh, ngiyabona.
Eish, ngiyaxolisa mina ngalokho.
Ngithi umsebenzi. Ngiyazi uyazi indlela engisebenza ngayo and I will not disappoint you.
Inkinga yami ukuthi anginalutho nami okwamanje.
Akunankinga mzala. Sengibona nje ngesikhathi sakho ukuthi ungiphindleke ungilalele.
Yeah. Kodwa awungitshele la i-security le uyidlule kanjani?
Bebasangikhumbula ngalesi sikhathi when I used to run ama-errands for ukhwezi. Ngiyibongile.
Stan. Awumbe kukhona esingakhulumisana ngakho. Kodwa ngizodinga ukuthi nami ungenzele nje okuthile.
Ukwenzela okuthile.